In this guide, you'll learn how to fix CIBC app crashing on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the server status of CIBC. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in CIBC server status. Now, different website links will appear. Navigate to Down Detector. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. If the servers are working normally, the next step is to close this. Now check for app update. Launch your app store. In the search box, type in CIBC Mobile Banking and search for it. Once app appears, click on it. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, clear cache for the app, so close this. Launch your settings app. Navigate to the option General. Click on iPhone storage. First, make sure you have enough storage in your device. Then head over to the app CIBC. Click on the option Offload app and confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache and cookies for the app. Next, check for a device software update. Head back. Now navigate to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also disable VPN if you are connected to. And lastly, you can reset network settings. For that, launch settings, go to General, scroll down, click on Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and complete the process. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. CIBC app should work in your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.